So here is exactly how you need to be editing your YouTube videos. Now, let me be brutally honest with you. The answer might totally surprise you. Before getting into the actual video that is going to be very valuable, let me provide very quick context on why you should probably listen to me. Over the last 3 to 4 years, we have worked with over 30 plus clients, mainly online entrepreneurs, to grow on YouTube, make more money, get more clients, and grow their businesses. And these are just a few of the clients that we have worked with. Having said that, let's begin. So, how to edit videos on YouTube? The answer, most straight to the point, is please don't edit videos for YouTube. Let me be, again, totally shocking. I know this is not what you expected, but let me break down this for you. In this metric, in Google, quick Google research, 90% of creators have experienced burnout and 71% have considered quitting social media altogether. And you know what is one of the biggest reasons for that? Is video editing. People obsess over the little details. They want to put in the 80% of their effort, their time, their investment on something like the video editing that just delivers that extra 20% of the results. It doesn't matter if you're looking for clients, for making more money, for growing on YouTube. That's just, editing is just a small part on things that actually get results for your YouTube channel. So the answer is don't, but there are two options for this. Let me elaborate. Either you make raw videos like this that you're watching right now, a simple loom, nothing super complex, or you outsource this task immediately to an editor that you find on a Facebook group. So don't go to Fiverr, don't go to this other platform, Upwork, as most people recommend. The editors that you'll find there are not committed, are terrible. So basically outsource this, but to a good editor that you can find on Facebook groups about editors, about marketing, asking for a recommendation in those groups. So that's my recommendation. Now, I understand if you don't want to listen for whatever reason, that's my recommendation again. But if you don't want to listen, here's what you can do. First of all, this is a list of the most common software that you can use to edit simple like YouTube videos, from simple to complex. So you can use CapCut, Camtasia Studio, DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas, Premiere Pro, After Effects, and here's also a guide on parameters that you should consider when editing your YouTube videos, if you don't want to listen to me, or if you outsource the YouTube video editing part to a YouTube editor, freelancer, or to an agency and want to give them these instructions. So this is actually an internal document of our YouTube agency. This is what we provide to our video editors team to have in mind. So a few things: the hook needs to be the strongest part of the video, so very fast pace, a lot of pattern interrupts, hooking and captivating the audience immediately. Then making sure that all of your videos have a call to action that is also edited, integrated in all of your videos, so that you redirect the attention of the audience to the next step. If you are selling something, to maybe book a call, to download a free lead magnet, whatever it may be. Then the video editing style, make sure that it's aligned with your branding, that you keep a consistent branding across all of your videos, that you keep consistent branding colors, that people recognize you immediately by your editing style. That's what we call a signature style. On top of that, you're using like the same video branding elements that are going to be diverse. You don't have to do this as a necessarily like as something super automated, but try to think about like the YouTube process, the YouTube video editing, the YouTube videos, your YouTube channel as a basically a assembly line, right? Like thinking systems. This will make things so much more efficient and just better overall in terms of results as well. Continuing with that, review that the videos will not have any glitches. Make sure that your quality control process is super strict. Make sure that, for example, you are emphasizing with text the most important like points that you are explaining throughout the video, whatever you are talking about. So the main points, those are the ones that you emphasize with text. It's not just about putting text for putting it right there. The grammar, spelling, doing zoom ins and zoom outs that are super like common on YouTube, making sure that the background music, this is a very quick and often mistake that I see with people, is that they don't select proper music for their videos. They just like put in the timeline of the editing timeline whatever music that comes to mind, but it's not something that actually matches the vibe of the video, and that will like totally kill your average view duration. So make sure that you select proper background music that is low volume to not distract the audience, but rather help them focus. Volume reasonable, pattern interrupts with the background music, professional transitions, professional stock footage, this kind of stuff. You can pause the video and kind of read it. But basically, that's pretty much it. That's how you edit YouTube videos. First suggestion, don't do it. But if you want to do it, you now know how to do it. So in the next few seconds, I'll recommend another video on my channel, even more valuable than this one, regarding YouTube marketing, how to grow on YouTube specifically to get clients and grow your business. So yeah, I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Take care.